The biggest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. The biggest island of the world is Greenland. The biggest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. What is the largest living species of lizard? Komodo dragon. Who is the author of the famous book 1984? George Orwell. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes bone located in the middle ear. Who is the author of the famous book The Hunger Games? Suzanne Mary Collins. Okay guys, these all different questions are based on the experiences of those students who appeared in initial and PMA tests, and they share their experiences, and we are here to communicate and impart this knowledge with you people. So students, for updated notes you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is known to you, all of you people, and this is also given in the description too in this video. And secondly, you can join my selective academy for preparation of initial and SSB test. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.